school. Today is extra special. It's our Kendriya Vidyalaya's birthday. Just imagine, years ago our school was just a tiny seed, but now it's a giant tree. With us, its branches reaching high. Here, we don't just learn from books, we learn from everything.